pelvis.
Jake wants to do the pelvis.
I'll
Okay,
do
you
it. I
got-
just need
you
someone
got
to.
3 shots of the pelvis that we need to be concerned with.
Okay. We're gonna start with the lateral view.
What are the 3 shots?
From
Lateral,
Lateral,
ventrodorsal,
ventrodorsal,
and then extend.
frog leg, and
And the
ventrodorsal
OFA one.
extended.
Okay. Now,
Which
this
one are we
is-
starting with?
Lateral.
Lateral.
When we get done here, it's going to be interesting for you to know how hard getting a
Real dog?
of the pelvis is.
Okay, so this one
gonna
is
be a piece
gonna be
of
the front
cake.
one because it's the below
But doing
one.
it on a real dog,
So yeah, it's like-
Are you? You're not gonna make us do it on a real
It has to
dog
be
on the
up
test,
a little
right?
bit.
okay, what is it you're trying to get now?
We're putting the foam in between the
But
femurs
what is it you're
because
trying to
The
accomplish?
pelvis.
not rolling the pelvis.
Okay, but how do we do that? What's the way to make sure that it doesn't roll?
Brace it on the dorsal side.
Keep the femurs parallel.
That's.
So you use as many sponge pads as it takes to have the femurs parallel to each other.
But caudal to the lane you're shooting, right?
Are this parallel?
You're shooting the pelvis, remember?
Yeah.
You're not shooting the leg,
Or
you're shooting the pelvis.
yeah.
So this femur here has to be parallel to the femur down below. So,
Oh, this is
and you put this
a little
out in the area of the stifle. So there, does that look like they're parallel?
Kind of.
Okay?
Yeah.
The X-ray beam is going to be right here. You've got, what's the rule for the pelvis or for any joint?
Bone above and bone below.
Bone above, bone below. Bone below is the femur. All you need to get is about that much. And then the pelvis is here. So this is the area where you're focusing. When you get to the cranial extent, you want to reach up here and feel the wing of the ilium. Make sure that that's included in your beam. Caudally, you want to make sure that the tuber ischiae is in the beam. Okay? And about half of the femur. And that'll be about all you need. Tuber ischiae, the ischiatic tubercle,
You know the rough part at the bottom,
the part we sit on when we sit down.
your butt bones.
Now, where would you measure this?
Okay, now see what this does when the femurs are parallel to each other.
It
Then
straightens the pelvis.
The pelvis isn't going to roll this way, or it's not going to roll this way. Okay? And then the other trick right here is to come in here on the butt and find the ischiatic tubercles and make sure that this one and this one are directly above each other, and it's perpendicular to the tabletop. So if you put your fingers on the tuber ischiae and one's here and one's over here,
You got a problem?
you got a problem. Make sure that they're directly on top of each other. Okay?
And that's the only way to do that is to feel.
Yeah, it's the
Yeah,
little butt bones.
unless they're really skinny and you can see it.
Okay.
On Jake back there, it's hard because he's so darn big.
I see on my dog, you can feel them.
Oh, okay.
They pop right out.
You can see.
Okay? So where do you measure now?
The thickest.
Or the
Yeah.
trochanter level.
Okay? So where would that be?
Yeah, up somewhere in this neck of the woods. Can't. It's like one big pad, isn't it? He's worried now.
No.
Okay. When he moves towards us, he
Right
gets
there.
worried.
How big is this one? 18?
Because this one's the one above, isn't it?
Have you ever x-rayed one of these dogs?
No.
No.
Oh, you mean the marker above?
There
The
wouldn't be a whole lot
number
in there.
is below the marker.
Right. It's at 19.
Yes.
Okay? The dog in there is this much taller. That's how wide that Jake is.